2018 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel, power driver's seat, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.